From crystal-clear waters to mouth-watering cuisine, Curacao is a traveler's paradise, and we're here to show you all the best spots. Get ready for an epic island tour you won't forget. Curacao is a stunning Dutch Caribbean island that offers beautiful beaches, coral reefs, and a relaxed way of life. It is part of the ABC Islands alongside Aruba and Bonaire, and is located near the coast of Venezuela. The island has a unique blend of European and Caribbean cultural influences due to its colonization by the Dutch and its affiliation with the Netherlands. Willemstad, the capital of Curaçao, is known for its vibrant Dutch townhouses, museums, and historical sites that showcase the island's Jewish communities and slave trade history. Curaçao is a beautiful island that offers some of the best experiences to its visitors. Although the largest city is a hub of activities, the real charm lies in the mesmerizing beaches and crystal-clear waters. The island is a haven for snorkeling and scuba diving enthusiasts, as the coral gardens and marine life are simply remarkable. With its sunny weather and breathtaking views, Curaçao is undoubtedly an unforgettable getaway destination. Number 12. Playa Lagun. Playa Lagun is a serene and charming beach nestled between two colossal rocky headlands on the northwest coast of the island. Its clear waters and lively coral reef attract a multitude of snorkelers and scuba divers. While basking in the shadow of towering cliffs, you can spot different types of silverfish, green sea turtles, and the occasional squid. The marine life is diverse and vibrant, and you can easily explore colorful corals, underwater rock formations, and various fish species without going far. The beach is a relaxing spot to spend time on, and the stunning sunsets are a treat to watch. There is a snack bar and dive school nearby, and deck chairs and umbrellas are available for use. Number 11. Riffort Village. Riffort Village is located at the mouth of St. Anna Bay and is one of the best places to shop, dine, and hang out on the island. The waterfront mall is a popular destination for tourists docked at the nearby cruise ship terminal. The Riff Fort was once used as a defense mechanism for Willemstad and served various purposes such as a brothel, prison, and police station, before it transformed into a trendy shopping center. The mall features many high-end restaurants, unique boutiques, and hip nightlife spots. Visitors can also enjoy stunning views of the city, sea, and Otrobanda district from the top of the fort while shopping for artisan jewelry or enjoying an aperitif. Number 10. Mambo Beach. Mambo Beach on the southwest side is another captivating stretch of sand worth exploring. It's a short drive away from the city's synagogue and shopping center and boasts bright white sands and turquoise waters, making it the perfect spot for a leisurely afternoon or evening. Compared to other beaches on the island, Mambo Beach is more developed and has a lively boardwalk lined with plenty of shops, restaurants, bars, and hotels. This results in a vibrant party atmosphere with breathtaking sunsets, cocktails, and chill-out hammocks that all contribute to an unforgettable experience. During the day, there are still many exciting activities to enjoy, including excellent snorkeling and scuba diving trips to nearby reefs. You can also sunbathe, swim, or shop while taking in the stunning scenery that surrounds you. Number 9. Go diving. If you find yourself in Curaçao or the Caribbean, scuba diving is an absolute must. The island is surrounded by captivating underwater worlds, teeming with playful dolphins, graceful stingrays, and vibrant tropical fish nestled amidst stunning coral gardens. Thanks to the rich marine life, there are numerous dive shops scattered along the coast, with many dive sites conveniently accessible from the beach. One such site is the Blue Edge, which features fascinating formations and is home to thousands of fish and marine mammals. Other sites, such as the coral-encrusted remains of the Superior Producer Wreck and the enchanting mushroom forest, are just a short boat ride away and are among the most popular. With guaranteed interesting sights and excellent visibility, diving is often the highlight of any trip to the island. Number 8. Shete Boka National Park. Curaçao has another national park named Shete Boka, which is situated near Cristofel at the northern end of the island. Shete Boka is the local term for an inlet, and is famous for its stunning blowholes, beaches, and bays that are often used by sea turtles for nesting. The area has been protected as part of a park since 1994, and the coastline looks incredibly rugged and rough as massive waves beat against its barren volcanic landscapes. Hiking around the park is a breathtaking experience as visitors pass by twisted trees and unusual rock formations before reaching an awe-inspiring viewpoint. Boka Pistol is the most popular spot for hikers due to its largest waves and blowhole. Boka Tabla's partially submerged cave and the natural bridge are also popular tourist attractions. Number 7. Cas Abao Beach. Cas Abao Beach is a highly sought-after destination that attracts locals and tourists alike. It is situated along the northwestern coast of the island, near Sint Willebroordus. The beach boasts pristine white sand and crystal-clear waters that make for an exceptional backdrop for photography. In addition, it offers beachside bars, restaurants, and full-body massages, making it a perfect spot for relaxation and entertainment. When you visit Cas Abao Beach, you'll feel like you've landed in a travel brochure. The bright white sand and sparkling turquoise waters provide breathtaking views that are sure to captivate you. While lazing on the beach, you can admire the nearby cliffs or rent kayaks and snorkeling equipment to explore them yourself. Although Cas Abao appears to be a tiny slice of heaven, it has sun loungers and parasols available for visitors to use before grabbing a refreshing drink or a bite to eat at its small eatery. Number 6. Dolphin Academy. Curacao, Dolphin Academy. Curacao is a popular tourist destination not only in the capital but also in the entire country. Its advanced facility, located just outside Willemstad, offers visitors the opportunity to swim, snorkel, and scuba dive with dolphins while gaining knowledge about these magnificent creatures. It is noteworthy that Dolphin Academy Curacao is one of the few facilities in the world that trains dolphins in the open sea. The dolphins inhabit 4 large lagoons that are linked by underwater channels and basins around Sea Aquarium Park. Since there is a continuous influx of seawater, fish, and invertebrate species, the dolphins live as they would in the wild. Meeting these cheerful and sociable dolphins in their natural environment is an unforgettable experience. You can play, feed, and touch them, whether you are standing in the shallows, diving deep next to them, or venturing into the open sea to see them. Regardless of what you choose, a fantastic time is always guaranteed. Number 5. Klein Curacao. Klein Curacao is a must-visit destination located about 2 hours away by boat from the island. Once used as a quarantine station for sick slaves and a burial site, it now attracts tourists with its amazing snorkeling and scuba diving opportunities. The island is uninhabited except for a small lighthouse, former slaves' quarters, and a shipwreck. The real treasures of Klein Curacao are the abundant offshore reefs where you can witness colorful corals, shoals of fish, and even some sea turtles. You can spend your time basking on the beach and getting a tan while waiting for the boat back to Curacao. Number 4. Queen Emma Pontoon Bridge. The Queen Emma Pontoon Bridge is a popular attraction that connects the 2 historic halves of Willemstad. Spanning over St. Anna Bay, it offers stunning views of the brightly painted mansions and Dutch-style houses that line the water's edge. The bridge, also known as the Swinging Old Lady, was built in 1888 to link Otrobanda in the west to Punda and Pietermaai in the east. It is now adorned by lit-up arches at night and regularly opens to allow ocean-going vessels in and out of the bay. With a length of over 500 feet, the bridge has historical markers at each end. Visitors can enjoy a leisurely stroll across it or sit at one of the nearby cafes and watch it swing open and shut. Number 3. Kenepa Beach. Kenepa is a stunning beach located on the Isle of Curacao. It is made up of 2 small coves, each having its own stretch of sand, and separated by large rocky cliffs and a lookout point. Grote Kenepa and Klein Curacao are the 2 pristine beaches that are bordered by rearing cliffs and have crystal-clear waters of the Caribbean. The former has a large snack bar and several shade pergolas and is backed by a salt marsh, while the latter boasts superb snorkeling spots. You can hike to the top of the headland to get divine views over both beaches or float around and take in the spectacular scenery. Some brave individuals also dive off the top of the cliffs, especially during sunset. Number 2. Handelskade. The Handelskade is undoubtedly the most remarkable attraction in the capital. This beautiful site is located in the heart of Willemstad and is featured in almost every Curacao postcard. The colorful colonial buildings are a sight to behold and make for some fantastic photos. The 17th century buildings are painted in vivid yellows, blues, oranges, and pinks, and overlook the sparkling waters of St. Anna Bay. The Punda district's lively waterfront is now home to countless cafes, restaurants, shops, and art galleries. You can explore the center and visit most of the city's main museums and tourist attractions effortlessly from here. If you want to relax and watch the Queen Emma Pontoon Bridge, you can do so from one of the chilled-out cafes. Number 1. Kura Hulanda Museum. The Kura Hulanda Museum is a significant and emotional destination to explore, as it delves into the profound impact of the transatlantic slave trade on the surrounding area. This museum, once the abode of a Dutch merchant and slaveholder, is now home to a wealth of captivating exhibits and ancient artifacts. Situated on the western quayside of St. Anna Bay, the well-preserved colonial buildings were in close proximity to the slave market in Outrabanda, where West African captives were held before being sold to other slave owners on the island or elsewhere. The museum's poignant displays explore the journey of African people from their capture in Africa to their transportation to the Americas, as well as the cultural heritage that was left behind. The museum also houses handcrafted statues, slave shackles, pre-Columbian gold, and Mesopotamian relics, among other exhibits.
Do you agree with our picks? Check out these other recent videos from 10 Minutes Travel, and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.